Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to add a gold gradient to text in Photoshop. First of all, select the text, then click Effects. Now see this gradient overlay. Okay. Click the gradient drop down and select any plate. I select this triple color. Okay. And click the gradient color bar. Double click. Then select color. Click, then edit new. Double click. Okay, apply the same process. Now see this color code. Double click for see this color code. Okay. New for shape. Click OK and angles, liner, radial, reflected. I use reflected color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Click OK.